welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I will be baking a cake with the help of my mom. And also the cake I will be making is buttered pecan. It's Betty Crocker. And the ingredients that we need today is oil and milk. Also like the
3 eggs.
Yeah, 3 eggs and the cake mix.
Yep.
And then we also have a bowl because that's where we're gonna put all of our stuff in. And now I'm just going to open this and put all of the cake mix in the bowl. Okay. It's open. We're opening it. And now we are going to add the cake mix into the bowl. There we go. Now we're gonna add what first? The egg?
The water. Yeah, milk or water.
You could use milk or water, but we prefer to use milk. I'm gonna add them to the bowl.
The oil.
1 cup of milk, right? Okay, so after we add in the milk, now we're gonna add the oil. It's 1/2 cup. And then 3 eggs. It's gonna help me now, sir. Oh my gosh.
Oops. There we go. You can put it here.
I'm gonna wash my hands too. Now we're going to mix the cake, but of course I need help from my mom because I don't trust myself, Mom. I'm gonna flinch. Okay, so after we mix the cake, we are gonna pour it into our baking pan with, what is this thing called now?
Parchment paper.
Parchment paper, and we're gonna use a spatula for it. And can you help me, please?
The last one. We're done.
And now we're done making the cake, and we're gonna put it in the oven. Oh, and I forgot to mention, put your oven at 350 Fahrenheit.
Yeah.
Yeah, while you're baking all this stuff so that it's ready once you're done. But
So now it's preheated.
yeah, and it's ready to be in the oven. So I'm about to put the cake into the oven, and then we wait for it to cook, and I'll see you guys once it's done. Okay, now we're gonna check the cake if it's cooked or not, and we're gonna use a toothpick to know if it's cooked. And there we go. Now we're gonna get 1 toothpick and see if it's done. We're gonna go around in the middle. It's cooked.
Make sure it's not. Didn't stick on the
No.
toothpick. Good job. So you need to turn off the oven.
Now we're gonna have to wait for it to cool down for about 20 or 10 minutes.
You need to wait until it cools down. So there you go. Let's see.
Now that the cake has cooled down a little bit, we're gonna cut the cake. Did I cut this properly, Mom?
Yeah, just a thin slice.
Okay.
There.
I'm gonna do that.
Go bring it.
Oh, it's crooked.
That's okay. Cake. You want some cake? Whoa. Somebody wants a cake too. You want a cake?
So hot.
You want some more?